In the past week, there has been a 51% increase in the number of reported cases in my own continent, Africa, and a 60% increase in the number of reported deaths. With the current challenge of obtaining testing kits, it's likely that the real numbers are higher than reported.
During the pandemic, Cape Town in South Africa has reported several cases of looting and break-ins at stores. Renata Calm has more.
Social media images of looting in some of Cape Town's poorer communities have become a trend during the lockdown year. Many who have no income at the moment are battling to put food on the table. And the ban on alcohol and tobacco sales has led to break-ins at grocery and liquor stores.
I think it's a mixture of desperation and criminality. There are certainly some people who are struggling badly now. The lockdown has unintended financial consequences. The immediate food security and the inability to have money because of the lockdown. And for those people, the poverty and the lack of food is an immediate reality, not a distant risk.
Authorities have urged small retailers to take extra precautions to secure their property, even encouraging liquor outlets to move their alcohol stocks to safer provincial government warehouses during the lockdown.
Important to note that we did talk to some businesses about things that they could do to make themselves safe in terms of additional security, additional burglar bars, closing any security doors you may have and serving through those security doors, as many businesses are doing. And also, in the case of liquor stores, transporting the content of the store to a place for safekeeping.
Nearly 1,000 arrests have been made during the past 3 weeks, more than 50 of them in connection with the looting. And there's growing concern about people not adhering to the lockdown laws to help flatten the coronavirus curve.
I think we have deteriorating levels of compliance. South Africa's infection rates have bucked the international trends. We've not had the same take-up of infections. We've often had a linear and not exponential growth. And so everybody expected a lot of sick people. Now there are not sick people, and I think a lot of people are now relaxing their commitment to the lockdown.
Meanwhile, the mass screening and testing for COVID-19 and raising awareness about the imminent threat of infection have all been stepped up.
City of Cape Town officials have warned the people of the Western Cape not to become too complacent about the COVID-19 lockdown, especially since South Africa is still expected to see a surge in the number of people infected with the disease in the coming months. Renata Calm, CGTN, Cape Town, South Africa.